And while more than 150 athletes will participate in the final round of the Nairobi Naivasha Ultra Marathon that will take place on 12th December. The athletes will be expected to cover 88 kilometers from Nairobi's GPO to Naivasha town in a span of a day.
Ultra marathons, and we are having December the last month. And as the last month, we want to finish our year in style and strong.
Our intention is to create a local awareness and localize that kind of comrades locally. And that's why we are having this GPO Nairobi to Naivasha run tomorrow to kind of mimic that, to prepare those who are kind of preparing for the Comrades Marathon as this becomes a test bed. So we do have some way to go, but I think we are in the right direction.
I think the government should support, and also the other institutions can come and support ultra running, because in Kenya mostly we concentrate with the 42 kilometers, but there is also ultra running. So if they can support ultra running, it can be good.
And Cabinet Secretary for Sports Salim Mvurya presided